wedding. Gonna have just a like night. Me so much out of my comfort. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog. I've been super out of it when it comes to YouTube, and that's only because I haven't been feeling my best. I don't know, it's been overwhelming. Like the whole social media thing has been overwhelming. I think I have like a rash. Yesterday I spent the day cleaning my bedroom, well at least like organizing my closets and whatnot, and got into like a sneezing fit. Anyway, today is Tuesday. I wanted to start vlogging yesterday, but I couldn't because I was so wrapped up in this, and then I just started sneezing uncontrollably and it was disastrous. Okay, like it was so bad, so I just like put it on hold. But today is Tuesday. I have a shoot actually today with Dida and Jeru. I don't know if you guys know Jeru, but we've been friends for quite some time now. She organized a shoot with me and Dida. Me and Dida actually have never done like a professional shoot together, so I'm super excited about it. It's like our first time. So this week I have a wedding I need to go to, which means I need to call Anissa for my henna situation. I'll show you a little bit of unboxing. So past weekend I got a little package from Bivante. I don't know if you guys know Bivante. They are a hijab company, and they do also like a gifting. I think they also have like a gifting part of it, where if you're trying to gift someone, they get like a hijab bouquet with like chocolates and whatnot. It's like such a cool idea. Anyway, they recently launched their own hijab company with the actual own brand, so that's exciting. Najma Horsera is so cute. She sent a few chocolates which I've had, and then the other box. Najma, you're killing it, sis. Thank you so much for this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got like some sort of like, there you go, some detailing, which I really like. And then we have a clip. The thing that I was excited the most about is the hijab magnet. I don't know if you guys know, but like people are staring away from the pin. I'm gonna give this a try actually today and see how it works. And then over the weekend I had a workshop with YouTube. So I have a water bottle, and then we have a hoodie. We have some sugar baked orange hazelnut shortbread like cookies. I have, oh, I don't know if I should share this, but I think by then the campaign would have rolled out. Your girl's working with Mac. It's like so surreal to me. Craziest thing, because these are things I dreamed about and I didn't know they would come true, and them just like happening right in front of me. It's like, what? That's my face. Okay, the Powder Kiss collection. It has eyeshadows, regular like the bullet lipsticks, and then the liquid lip. Parking for my shoot, and then get in the shower because I think we need to be there at 12 p.m. I think I'm going to see you guys after I get ready. I'm finally ready. I'm wearing a pair of lashes that I've never worn before, and I've had them for like a year, I think. They are a Kenyan brand called Wings. I think I shared them on a vlog. If I find it, I'm gonna tag it down below. But they're too valuable for me, especially for like everyday use, but I really like this and I thought they'd be perfect for like a shoot. I'm gonna head out right now, so let's go. Hey guys, I was watching Sharon's vlog. Today is Wednesday. I have some work to do. I was up early today. I was just finishing some stuff. And then later I'm going to take a friend to toy market. They need to find some stuff. I don't know what it is. Just so most, if not all my friends know like I'm big on thrifting. So whenever any of them need something, they're always like, oh my god, can you take me? I'm like, I'm not like a toy market or Gikomba wizard. You know what I mean? I just go and look around, and if I find something that I like, I'll pick it up. So it's kind of funny to me how they're always like, oh my god, take me, oh my god, take me. I'm like, even I don't know what I'm trying to do. Hey guys! Hi! Today is, what day is it today? Saturday! We're headed for a wedding. So we're here at Beauty Galore to grab some earrings and last minute stuff. We're gonna go to the salon and then get ready together and then head out for the wedding. We're gonna have a cute day together. I'm excited, so let's go. Because we're kind of in a rush. Oh, let's go. Ready, 1, 2, 3. No, I don't like those. You picked these, right? These are cute. Yeah, those are cute. These are cute. But I thought these are just looks so sucker as well. Is it just me? Like the gold sucker. Those are super cute. Right? What about this? What about these ones? No, I think because I feel like my dress is very simple. Okay. These ones? No, I don't like those. Oops. طبعا واحد يسوقوا ملي. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take these. This one and this one. Guys, we left, not here, no. Guys, we left the salon and we're now in Adams. I'm here to find bobby pins because I want to pin my hair up, and the salon that we were at didn't have. We've literally been doing tour de Nairobi the whole day. Hey guys, today is Saturday and last week I was in Coast with some friends. I was just going there for a little bit of like relaxation. I wasn't going there to work and whatnot. I just needed to chill. I had a good time. I didn't have to bother about taking pictures of outfits or constantly pulling out my camera and vlogging. It was just nice. It was just like a nice moment, just like taking everything. Came back home, so much work to do. I had like so much content shooting today, but I just couldn't get out of bed. Do you guys always like, I think I mentioned this in a vlog, I'm always tired after a trip. Even though I get like a good rest during the trip, I always come back knackered. So this morning was a little bit of a struggle getting out of bed, but I'm not beating myself too much about it because like I said, I was from travel, so I'm just gonna give myself a free pass. Doing my makeup today is very, I wouldn't say summery, but I'd say it's like more of like a gloomy summery look. I don't know. Let me mention a few products that I've been, and then the highlight I'm wearing today, I actually wore highlight, and that's because I'm using a new one. This is by the brand Hourglass. First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. It's in the shade Rose Gold Flash, and that's what it looks like. It's just a very like easily blendable. I just use like my finger to blend it in, and it's like nice and soft and subtle. I really like that. And the lipstick that I'm wearing is a new one as well. I really like this color. I've always been on the hunt for an orange lipstick, and I think I finally found one. But this is the new MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick in the shade Sorry Not Sorry. Hey guys, so I was busy trying to get my life in order, and also I'm trying to make use of Google Calendar. I don't know, I just feel like that would help me kind of like have more structure within my day, because that way it's kind of down within the calendar and I get to see what happens on what day, what I need to do on what day and all that stuff. So I'm trying to get a hang of that. I will show you guys what I come up with eventually, probably like in my next vlog. But it's currently 4 p.m. and I've been sitting at this computer for practically the whole day. I've been taking breaks in between, but I've been here all day and it's stressful, but I'm trying to stay as productive and as time efficient as I possibly can. And one thing that's been helping me the most these past few months to kind of like unlock my potential and everything is Skillshare, which I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for continuously supporting this channel. But if you have not heard about Skillshare, which I don't know which rock you're living under at this point, but Skillshare is an online learning community that has over 1,000 classes that teach from photography, productivity, lifestyle, a bunch of different topics, which is super exciting. And the best part is it costs less than $10 to get access to their classes. The class that I'm currently taking right now, I like giving you guys an update of the classes that I'm taking, just in case you guys are like into that stuff or would like to see what I'm trying to do and everything. I don't know, I find it interesting. The one I'm currently taking is Writing for Self-Discovery, 6 journaling prompts for gratitude and growth, written by ya7ska. She has my name. She is a writer, speaker, self-healing advocate, and basically the class just teaches you how to find time for self-care in your day-to-day life, how to use different journaling techniques and styles, translating your insights into actionable change, cultivating a personal writing practice that lasts a lifetime. I'm not necessarily like looking into like journaling every single day. For me, it's just, I'm kind of like new into this. Well, I'm not new, I've been doing it, but it's not something that I've really like taken a deep dive in, and it's something that I really want to learn because I'm kind of interested in it. So it kind of just like helps you understand what journaling is all about and the best way to go about it and everything. I really like interactive classes. For me, that's what keeps my attention, and I'm really glad that like Skillshare has these interactive classes that has workbooks, or you get to do like the projects and all the good stuff. So I hope you guys, it's just like a nice way to discover different ways that I can practice self-care, or I can express myself. I do have a link for you guys in my description box. The first 1,000 of you that click it will have access to their premium membership, and I hope you guys really do take advantage of this, because the link would be in my description bar down below, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you once again, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video, and yeah, let me get back to work. Hi, today is the next day. Today is Tuesday, and this morning I had some errands to run. We went to the furniture shop to check on my desk, which was not yet done, and came back home. But now I'm headed to a very exciting interview that I have for a very exciting upcoming project, and I'm bringing you guys with me so you guys can get like a little BTS or details behind the interview and whatnot. I'm super excited. This project has been one that has pushed me out of my comfort zone, and one that has made me like appreciate so many different aspects of myself, if that makes sense, and also has helped me network with like a bunch of new people that I absolutely adore in the same industry that I'm in, which is pretty cool. But I'm headed out right now. It's a bit late. It was supposed to be a bit early, but I mean I had to like reschedule. We're going to her place right now to kickstart the interview, and I'm super excited, so let's go. This is my fit, by the way. I'm wearing this shirt that I got for platform that I wore to the Mara, and then just like black everything, and then I'm wearing these cute little hoops. I've been obsessed with hoops lately. Like that's all I wear. Those are like the only earrings I wear, and these were from Beauty Galore.
Ms. Yasmin, how do you describe yourself? Tell me a little bit about your journey to becoming who you are.
Guys, this is Mina.
Hi.
So we just wrapped up on the exciting project that I wouldn't share with you guys until it's out. It's top secret, but it's so exciting. They put me so much out of my comfort zone, but I enjoyed it so much.
Good. And we enjoyed it.
I'm so excited to see what we come out of. Tell them your Instagram, where they can find you and everything.
So you guys can hit us up on YM Life, and lots to come.
I'm excited. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, absolutely, Yasmin.
I'm excited. Yay!
Mwah.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
All right, so I have my base done, and now I'm just left with like the eyes and the lips, which I want to film a reel for. So that's why it's the last part. I never do my eyes last, so this is kind of new, but I gotta do what I gotta do.
Yes, ma'am.
Say hi. Hi. We came to Rooftop 15 on Mombasa Road, and the experience is so bad. They asked us, first of all, if you have IDs. Apparently they don't let anyone under 25 in, that's one. Two, you can't order french fries or like any side. Anyway, yeah, so we couldn't order any sides without ordering a meal, and the menu is like this small, and most of their meals have alcohol. Bad experience. They literally told us you can't order fries without, exactly. They literally said you can't order fries without getting a meal. And then our friend, since she ordered a meal, she's like, can I get an extra side? She's like, no, I know you guys want to share and eat together. The place is pretty, but the service is so bad. Morning guys, morning. Today is Friday. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today. I'm having lemon tea. Yesterday was such a letdown when we went to that restaurant. Like the whole service was just bad. The waitress was very hostile towards us, very rude, so we just ended up leaving. And honestly, what pissed me off the most was the drinks. You know, when you ask for a mocktail, you expect like the fruits to be like muddled. If you're making a mocktail, at least that's how I know a mocktail should look, or at least that's the type of mocktail I've had everywhere else I've been. Their mocktail just looked like Sprite. Honestly, it was Sprite with some artificial strawberry flavor at the bottom, which you could barely see, and like 2 halves of strawberries as garnish. So we asked her, this is practically just Sprite, and she tells my friend got the raspberry one, right? And she told her, oh, I can't do anything for you. If you want to get more raspberry, you're gonna have to pay more. We ended up going back to my friend's house and just hanging out there and just eating there because we were so over the day. But it was a good day nonetheless. But I'm having breakfast. I have a bowl of cereal here and then a tangerine. But I think I'm just gonna get to work, get some work done. I have a lot of editing to do. So catch you guys in a bit, yeah?